Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Selvi Ayu Anggraini. I'm from TBID class. Today, I'm gonna presentation about the production of speech sounds. Okay, let's get started. First, we're gonna talking about articulator about the larynx. The muscle in the chest that we use for breathing produces the flow of air that is needed for almost all speech sounds. Muscle the larynx produces many different modifications in the flow of air from the chest to the mouth. After passing through the larynx, the air goes through what we call the vocal tract, which ends and the mouth and the nostrils will call the part comprising the mouth, the oral cavity, and the part that leads to the nostrils, the nasal cavity. Here, the air from the lungs escapes into the atmosphere. We have a large and complex set of muscles that can produce change in the shape of the vocal tract. And in order to learn how the sounds of speech are produced, it is necessary to become familiar with the different parts of the vocal tract. These different parts we call articulator, and the study of them is called articulatory phonetics. This is a diagram that's used frequently in study of phonetics. Okay, this is a pharynx is a tube which begins just above the larynx. This is the soft palate or volume is seen in the diagram position that allows air to pass through the nose and through the mouth. This the hard palate is often called the roof of the mouth. First, this is a alveolar ridge is between the top front teeth and the hard palate. The tongue is very important articulator. It can be used move into many different places and different shapes. The teeth, upper and lower, are usually shown in the diagrams like a fig. The lips are important in speech. This is a subdivision of tongue, like a tip, plate, front, back, and root. 2. We're going talking about vowel and consonant. Vowel is a speech sound which is produced by comparatively open configuration of the vocal tract with vibration of the vocal cord but without audible friction, and which is a unit of the sound system of a language that forms the knuckles of syllables. And consonant. What is consonant? Consonant is a speech sounds that is articulate with complete and partial closure of the sound vocal tract. And then examples: p produce the lips with the lips. Okay, and then t produce with the front of the tongue. K produce with black of the tongue in here, and then produce in the throat, and then and produced by forcing air through the narrow channel fricative, and which have a following through to the nose or nasals. Okay, we can see for E like a C, A, cat, U, do, and calm. This is the A places A and L is back, front, E is closed, and A is open. I U is closed, and I is open. This is a primary cardinal vowels. Okay, next we're gonna talking about English short vowels. English has a large number of vowel sounds. The first one to be examined short vowels. The symbols for this short vowel are A, L, A, and U. Example: A like a beat, pin, and face. A like a bat, man, and gas. Like I like a bat, man, and gas. Like a cat, calm, and rush. Like a pot, gun, and crush. Like a put, pull, and push. Okay, maybe that's enough about my presentation about the production of speech sounds. Okay, thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.